everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install BitPay on your Windows computer. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. Go to Google and search for BitPay. In the search results, click on the BitPay wallet option to go to the official BitPay website. Once you're on the site, click on the Download the app option. On the download page, you'll see the option to download for Windows. Click on it, and the setup file will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, click on the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install BitPay on your PC. After the installation is complete, open your BitPay wallet. And that's it. You've successfully installed BitPay on your Windows PC. Remember to always back up your seed phrase and use additional security features like a PIN or a two-factor authentication to protect your wallet. Thanks for watching.